Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can export a text document you edit on LibreOffice Writer as a PDF document. So let us dive into this. Open LibreOffice Writer, access your document, and there are two ways I can do this, guys. So option number one, you click into File in the top left corner, navigate to Export As, and select Export as PDF here, or use that option below, or you will see that button here in the top left, Export directly as PDF. So let me go with the first option and select Export as PDF. After that, you will be redirected to these settings or options. So you may select, for example, the JPEG image compression quality here, the image resolution, and so on and so forth, include comments. And after that, select also the pages. I will leave it at all. And after that, click into export. Find or navigate to the folder where you'd like to save your document. Click into save, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.